What you carry is important. Bags, backpacks, purses, and other items are carried by people in all cultures and all walks of life. Sometimes these things get overfilled, unorganized, or heavy. You never find what you need when you need it, because let's face it, life gets messy. So the people at Grim Survival thought, what if you could get to the tools you need for any situation without ever having to open your bag or dig into a pocket? That's why we created the Grim Everyday Carry Zipper System. Remove your old zippers from any item and simply swap in Grim's ultralight Everyday Carry Zipper System to gain access to over a dozen different tools so you can be ready for anything life has to throw at you. Grim Zipper tools can turn anything they can be attached to into the world's smallest everyday carry toolkits or survival kits. This all can be done without ever having to unzip a backpack or dig into a pouch or pocket. From saws to sewing needles, we put as many different items as we could into these micro tools. Designed and produced here in the USA, Grim Zipper tools are made from surgical grade stainless steel, so you won't have to worry about rust or anything like that. We also provide over a dozen different tool variations, with more on the way. We wanted to utilize an area previously unused. Adding no extra weight and tons of added versatility, it's the perfect combination. All 12 tools can be stacked into an area the size of a AAA battery. So it doesn't really matter if you keep them all together as a keychain or a necklace, or separate them into smaller groups on a bag or a backpack. Grim Everyday Carry tools are meant to be the ultimate accessory for anyone. They're meant to be a travel companion, a toolbox, survival kit. We've got tools for what you need, when you need it. We've included everything we could think for any situation. With Grim's Zipper Tool System, you gain much without sacrificing any. It doesn't matter what lifestyle you lead, we have the tools for every kind of person. No more digging in your backpack, no searching through a purse or a pouch, just micro-sized tools useful for any situation where you can actually find and access them.
I'm Matt.
I'm Andrew.
And we're Big Tiny Ideas.
Oh, we should do that together. And we're Big Tiny Ideas.
Yeah. And we're
Big Tiny Ideas.
And this is Luna,
the world's tiniest titanium bodied flashlight.
That is right. Okay. It's so tiny. It's so cute. This is awesome too, because like if you know any kind of like the lights go out, that's sweet. I like it. Very cool. See, I love flashlights on the key, so something like that would be perfect.
Yeah.
I like it. It's awesome. And it's just like streamlined, it doesn't get in the way of anything. I love it. Heck yeah.
We need your help to fund Luna.
And you can help by spreading the word on social media, sharing it with your family, your friends, your coworkers, and asking everybody to pledge for a Luna flashlight.
Luna, the most tiniest titanium flashlight.
This is the Defender by Gerber. There's a lot of tethers on the market. A lot of them are too powerful, they're not powerful enough. We spent a lot of time fine-tuning the tension of this cord so that you're not fighting it in an undue way, but it also will return whatever tool that you're using. The tip control carabiner releases tension and maximizes utility, which allows the user to essentially take the load of the tether off of the tool and put it on their finger, making the tool a lot easier to use. So the Defender tether comes in two sizes, the large and the compact. The large Defender has a 48-inch Dyneema cable. It also has the capacity for larger tools. Attaching the Defender tether to your body can be achieved through the use of this belt clip. You can wear it on your belt. You can clip it onto the top of your waders, any one of these straps that you have when you're wearing a shoulder pack or a lumbar pack or anything like that. But the belt clip also has an integrated eyelet on top that you can put a split ring through or another carabiner through. So if you want to wear it on a neck lanyard or split ring into something on your gear, you have the option to do that. The large Defender has a number of different lockout systems on it. The first one being the actual spool lockout, which is a rocker switch on the side. So in position 1, the tool is locked to the tether and is prevented from moving down. The only time that it actually will unlock is if your tool somehow gets snagged on a branch or a tree or a fence post. It will actually unlock at a certain point to keep from destroying the tool. You also have the option with this, we have these unique high trail cleats on the bottom of the tether. So this allows you, without touching a button, to just slide the line into that cleat and slacken it as well. The Compact Defender has a 36-inch Dyneema cable. You can secure the Compact Defender to your body with 3 options: the eyelet ring on the top, a belt clip, and a threaded shirt pin stud. The Defender keeps valuable tools close at hand.